Bro, what the heck? You see? Do you see that? Was that you?
All over the river.
I'm trying to use the bathroom. I'm trying to use the bathroom, but I think someone, you see? Huh?
That's crazy.
Excuse me, sir. Were you the one that went to the bathroom back here?
This is the first time going.
Dude, because they want me to clean this up, but I don't even want to go in here. Look, do you think that's fair? Should I have to clean that up?
Oh my God!